Hello, this is a review of a 2-in-1 fruit infuser water bottle that I purchased from Amazon that's 32 ounces. And also is a recipe that I made of oranges and clementine juice. Welcome to Healthy Drinks and Harps. I have a fruit-infused water bottle that I purchased, and I'm going to make some fruit juice. I am going to insert the fruit, which is going to be oranges, into here, and then I'm going to put it in here like this. And then it's got a nice lid. This closes. This closes onto here, and this is a good product because this is quite long, so it goes through most of the bottle. And then we've got a nice lid here, and so far I'm very happy with this product. And it came with a brush. I bought this on Amazon, and this is not a paid endorsement. This is just something that I purchased. I've been looking for something like this for a few years. I had seen a water pitcher that was very similar, and I did like that, but I thought it was for fruit, and so I just decided to purchase this instead. You can also do this with mason jars and just have your fruit floating in water in a mason jar, which is very lovely too. I'm using clementines for today, and then after I make this, I'm going to sit this in the refrigerator and let it cool before I drink it. And one thing nice about having this as a water bottle is you can take this anywhere that you want. You take it shopping or to the gym. Or if you just have some fruit that isn't in its prime and you don't want to toss it out, you could use that for drinking as well. Oh, one clementine fits in here very well. So I'm going to fill this with water. I'm going to be using my refrigerated water. I am currently growing chamomile, and when that is ready to be harvested and dried, I couldn't see why not putting the flowers in here and making a nice tea. I'm also growing lavender, and that would be very nice too to put in here with the flowers. Well, this worked very well. It's very pretty too. So I'm going to put the lid on it. And then I'm going to just keep this in the refrigerator for a little while to let the oranges give the water more flavor from the oranges. I do like this lid. It not only does it close, but it also locks. It's just quite nice, and it's got to hang it on. You can hang it if you wanted to, and it's got some nice grips here. So this has been sitting in the refrigerator now most of the afternoon. The water is kind of orange, just a little bit of a hint of orange in it. We'll see if it's good. It's good. It kind of reminds me of just a hint of orange, almost like a weak glass of lemonade. It's actually pretty good. And I think it would be nice to have this when working out at the gym. Well, have a nice day.